This is Houston, contact with a test. 1, 2, 3.
Hi, I'm Josh.
And I'm Will. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to let a computer fly a spaceship for you? Well, with the revolutionary STP-H5 Raven, you can do just that, coming soon to your nearest spacecraft.
The STP-H5 Raven is an investigation working on developing autopiloting systems for future spacecrafts. The Raven is using the autopilot systems to dock or capture other spacecraft with the ISS and is being upgraded to do full autopilot.
The Raven is the newest NASA flight experiment to endorse new technology. The Raven demonstrates components such as next-generation sensors, vision processing algorithms, and speed space-related avionics.
With the STP-H5 Raven, future spacecraft exploration could dock, capture, or land with many different objects such as asteroids, planets, and other spacecraft.
Some variable is that there are many spacecrafts built differently, and the STP-H5 Raven has to monitor 50 individual rendezvous or departure per flight.
The Raven uses a tracking system to image the crew and cargo that visit the ISS. The vision processing software converts images into a navigation system between the Raven and another object. Thanks for watching.
We hope you loved our video and learned a lot. Bye.